Hello everyone, today I'm going to do something I've never done before. I was recently contacted by trytreats.com and they asked me if I would be interested in trying one of their monthly treat boxes. And I thought, you know what, being an old guy that likes to eat, why not? It sounds fun. So we're going to dig in and I'm going to share the experience with you. Let's see what our first snack will be. First I want to tell you, when you open up the box, it comes with some of these really cool cards to tell you what country the snack box came from. And this particular box comes all the way from India. I know nothing about Indian cuisine, but we are going to give it a go. So far, it doesn't look too bad. Everything seems to be more or less biscuits, cookies, and some chips. I've grabbed one of my favorite beverages. This is Stewart's Orange and Cream Soda. So if something's disgusting, we have a chance to wash it down. And for the first snack, let's try the Choco Chip cookies. Choco Chip. I'm going to say that it's a chocolate chip. Okay, let's see how this tastes. It's light, it's hard, and it looks like it has little chocolate chips in it. So let's give it a try. It's pretty good, not bad. Kind of reminds me of an Oreo cookie without the filling. Now let's try these 50-50 sweet and salties. See if we can get it out of its bag. This, again, it looks like another type of cracker. Let's give it a try. That's actually really good. It's kind of crackery, but almost like an animal cracker, if that makes sense. It says sweet and salty. I don't taste the salt, but it kind of has maybe a light honey flavor to it. But all in all, not too bad. Now let's try these Nice Times. It's a sugar-showered coconut biscuit. If we can get it out of the little container here. Man, some of the stuff's like really tight in here. Not bad, I wouldn't say wow, but flavor-wise, I don't know what to compare it to flavor-wise. It does have a coconut flavor, but again, it's kind of like the texture of an animal cracker. Okay, this next one is the Naughty Jim Jam. Naughty Jim Jam. Anyway, let's see if we can get it open. Okay, now this to me looks kind of like a Oreo cookie, basically, but it's got this little Jim Jam treat, I guess we'll call it, in the middle. But let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Different. It's the best way I could describe this would be like the vanilla Oreo cookies, but it's like you got a gummy bear in the center of it, if that makes sense. All I can say is thank God none of it's gross. I was terrified I was going to open this up and stuff was going to be full of chocolate flavored crickets or something like that. Next up, this is pistachio almond cookies. So let's open this up and see how this tastes. Kind of reminds me of like the almond cookies from Keebler. It's a weird combination. It's not bad. It's I wouldn't say wow, but it's different. You can definitely taste the pistachio. I don't really notice the almond flavor at all, but there is like a slight hint of honey, so it does have a sweetness. All in all, not bad. It is something I would eat, not a problem. I wouldn't be grossed out by it. Next up, Parley G. These are the original glucose cookies. I am not a diet nut or nothing like that, and I hear glucose and I think glucose. Let's give it a shot. Sweet. Again, it's kind of animal crackery is the best way I can explain it. It's got a nice crunch to it too. I definitely like that one. That is a cookie I could definitely see eating with my morning coffee. Now let's try these hide and seek Choco Rolls. So obviously this is going to have chocolate in it. Nice and easy to open. And it even has a little slide drawer. Ooh, now these to me, they look kind of like a Fig Newton. But let's give it a taste. This I actually like a lot. It's kind of like having a chocolate chip cookie where it's cookie on the outside and then it's a soft, gooey chocolate. It's not a hard chocolate like I thought it would be, but it's not like the chocolate we would be used to here in the States. It's more of a dark chocolate filling, if that makes sense. But again, really, really good. Okay, time to cleanse the palate. Getting too many flavors in the mouth at one time. Next up, we have the butter cookies. It says, many days make a good smile. These I picture being more like an animal cracker again. Let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Not bad at all. If I had to give it a flavor comparison, I would compare it to like having, when I was a kid, I used to snack on saltine crackers and I'd put butter on them. And that's kind of what this tastes like, is a saltine cracker with butter on it. Okay, next up we have Little Hearts Classics. Again, these look like a little cookie. Per usual, I'm struggling to get this open. Oh, and these are like, they're really tiny, 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 tiny. Anyway, they look cute. There's like little hearts, but let's give it a try. I'm gonna have to eat 2 of those. I actually like this a lot. It's like a sweet, salty pretzel. The next one we have is Lay's India's Magic Masala. I hope I said that right. Looking at the front of the bag, I see hot peppers and onions, so I picture this being very hot. Let's get this guy open. Boy, I just can't get anything open today. Okay, this one's fighting me. We're gonna take scissors. Much easier. Now, it looks like a Ruffles potato chip, but again, it's Lay's brand. Not bad if you like hot. Definitely, definitely hot. But I like it. It's not bad. If you're into spicy, that's a good chip. Anyway, that is all the snacks, guys. I'm still shocked at how much they give you. I'm not 100% certain on what the price is. I need to look that up. But if you're interested in trying food from all around the world, to me, I think this is a pretty good value to give it a shot. Let me know what you think down in the comments.